Hey, what's up? It's Scotty the Marketing Dude. It's been a minute. The weather is beautiful, and I want to talk about gas prices. I know, scary stuff, but they are kind of high right now. So maybe if you're on a commute and you're thinking, how can I save some money? Well, you might spend a little bit up front, but you're going to save a bunch. That's how you can explain it to your significant other. This is how I'm going to save some money. All right, I'm going to get good fuel mileage on a new Indian motorcycle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get on this thing and we're going to go down 65. I'm actually riding over to our Louisville location today. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to commute on a motorcycle and get maybe like 40 miles to gallon. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to get that in today's world. A lot of cars are around 28 now. Even the big ones or even the small ones. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's a conspiracy. But we're going to have some fun on a motorcycle, and I'm going to show you how you can save some money, all right? Let's get in the saddle and have some fun. But first, let's just look at how beautiful this thing is. So this 2026 Indian Motorcycle Chieftain PowerPlus 112 in the black, sparkle metallic over bronze, I think is what they call it. It is a gorgeous motorcycle. This is actually a demo, and if you wanted to ride it, you can come by Indian Motorcycle of Clarksville to do so. I'm going to ride it today. Super gorgeous. Again, this is the new 112 motor, pumping out the big ponies. It's got a lot of nice accessories on it. It's got a heated seat here, a little slimmer. I dig it. She's gorgeous. Let's get it on the road. All right, so here we are, getting our gloves on. Got some music playing. Sun's out. Excellent way to commute, right, guys? I did some research. These things get like 42 to 44 mpg. And that was the rating I saw. That guy had like a stage 2 cam and an exhaust on it. So, excellent way to save some cheddar on your way to work. And if you're a little scared about, you know, the wind or it being a little cold in the morning, not to worry, man. We got a fairing on this thing. Put that windshield up, get the wind off of you. Feels great. Of course, it feels wonderful today. I would not be concerned about that if I were you. But these are excellent motorcycles and, yeah, a really fun way to get around. I don't see how there could be any issues with your spouse or significant other or why they would argue with you about saving money on the way to work. I mean, you're going to get a paycheck to pay the bills, you know? Save some money while doing so. Your hard work deserves a little treat for yourself, right? You could tell her, you know, or him, hey, it's you know, it's a touring bike. It's not you know, it's like driving a car pretty much, you know. Very stable on the freeway, which we'll get to in a second. You know, I mean, you don't have to tell them that, you know, it makes like the most horsepower stock out of the box when we're talking about stock baggers. You don't have to mention that. Of course you don't need one, you know, maybe you don't want a bagger. Maybe you want a Scout. Maybe you want something from Japan. You know, or the CC Powersports side can definitely help you out with that. But it's kind of hard to beat that PowerPlus 112 motor. Very, very, very fun. I'll put that windshield up there, get that wind off of me. Oh yeah, this is a lovely way to ride to work. Of course, which is what I'm doing right now. We're getting on the freeway, going over to CC Powersports Louisville off the Brooks Road exit. Shout out to the Louisville dealership. We can pretty much take care of you on either side of the river, whichever spot you want to go to. Of course, if you want an Indian, you got to come to Indian Motorcycle of Clarksville. So you're going to be on the Indian side. And it's pretty nice over here. Oh yeah, very nice. Roll on power. You know, these big bikes, they got a six gear, but I swear you don't need it unless you want to go 90 miles per hour. They run out so good. It is insane. Always some bridge work going on here in the Louisville area. Seems like they always want to funnel you down. Loving it. Look at that. It's a nice day to commute. Get you a motorcycle. Like I said, 42 miles to the gallon. Out of this big bagger. If you want something that gets even better than that, you go holler at the CC Powersports side. We'll get you on a Honda or a Kawasaki, a nice commuter bike, like maybe an NX 500 or something like that, man. You'll get up in the 60s, miles per gallon. It's crazy. Of course, if you're just going a little around town or back roads, you can get on a little Dax 125 or a Grom or something. Man, you'll get like 120 miles to the gallon. We got all kinds of ways that you can save on gas at Indian Motorcycle of Clarksville if you want something big and beautiful like this, or at CC Powersports, either location, if you want something that's a little more sporty or something like that. But we got it all, man. I mean, come and see us. I mean, look at that. Oh, that is lovely. That V-twin power. Ooh, watch for that gator. Sketchy. Anyway, I'm going to continue my commute, listen to some jams on my stereo, which is another reason this bike is excellent for commuting. These speakers are so good on these motorcycles, especially the power band equipped Indian motorcycles. You could listen to a podcast, all right? You could listen to an audio book. You an Audible listener? You're checking out the new, if George R. Martin ever releases it, the next Game of Thrones novel, or maybe you're listening to the old Game of Thrones novels, or you're listening to whatever you want. Maybe you're a real literature head and you're listening to some Bill Faulkner on your way into work on your Indian motorcycle, which is super obscure, and I might be the only person that would be doing that. But anyway, these speakers are that good. You could literally do that if you wanted to. If you wanted to listen to some Bill Faulkner on your way in. All right, anyway, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this commute over to the Louisville store. As you can see, it's only about 17 minutes south of the Clarksville location, so we're really close to each other. We can service you at both locations. Not an Indian motorcycle, obviously. That's only an Indian Motorcycle of Clarksville. But anyway, I digress. I'm rambling. I'm going to enjoy myself on this lovely day here in the Kentuckiana area and enjoy some time putting some miles on this demo Indian motorcycle, which you can come in and ride for yourself as long as you've got a motorcycle license, pants and boots, all that stuff, and a helmet. All right? Check you guys later.